Welcome my viewers, welcome back to the channel. I had a little review for you today. It actually should be the Monday review, but I was a little hesitant about the way I should record this review, because I have three electronic Olivetti machines, but all three of them are in my apartment on room temperature, because I fear that the electronics are vulnerable to low temperatures, and I keep all my electronic machines in the apartment, but I almost have no place to review all three of them in the apartment, so I decided to take the Linea 101 here to record it, and I will show you my other two electronic Olivetti on photos. So let's begin. This is, I have to close the camera a little bit. This is Olivetti Linea 101, as it's written in the plate on the bottom, made in Mexico, which is an interesting fact. Olivetti has a lot of international production, but I know about Singapore, I know about the Spanish production, I know the China production, but Mexican production seems like a little bit out of sight. So this machine is interesting because of that, most of all because of that. Otherwise it's probably the dullest electronic Olivetti. The most boring design of all. I like the rip-like shaped plastics, like on the Praxis 101. This Linea 101, it's very ordinary, very a machine like every other machine. There is nothing interesting about it. Actually, I think that this is entire politic for the Mexican production of Olivetti, because it's not only the shape that is boring, it has a design flaws. For example, you cannot see a protective cover on the keyboard. It has a protective cover. I bought this machine brand new in the original box. Someone had bought it from abroad and brought it here in Bulgaria. There was a protective cover for the keyboard, but it looked like only transport packaging. There is no big massive plastic cover like on other electronic machines. So that is design flaw number one. The other design flaw, you saw it in the typing test. Why is the cable compartment down here instead of on the back, like for example you saw on the Olympia Carrera? This is very inconvenient, because you have to lift the machine, bring the cable out like this, close the compartment, then do this. Very inconvenient. It's a strange design decision. So if we look at the lack of protective cover of the keyboard, the inconvenient cable compartment, and the boring exterior design, You can see that this machine is made to be cheap. It's not made to be something special. But otherwise, all the Olivetti electronic machines, all three of mine, I don't have much Olivetti machines because they are pretty rare here. There are very few of them in Bulgaria. I have really big luck to have the Praxis 101, this Linea, and the other. I don't remember the exact model. I will show you in a photo. Olivetti electronic typewriter. But it's very rare. Very rare to find an Olivetti electronic machine here. It looks like brand new. It is brand new actually. The keys are in perfect, excellent shape. The German standard. You can see the German letters here. Something interesting about this machine, the on and off switch is here on the keyboard, not somewhere on the sides. The standard stuff, a protective cover for the typing head and the cartridge, a service cover, nothing so special. I think the cartridges for all Olivetti electronic typewriters are the same. All three that I have, I am not sure about all of them, but those here are mine are one and the same. There is something interesting here inside. You can see the plastic transparent cover for the electronics. I think for other machines it is a little bit more exposed. Here is very well protected. A machine like every electronic machine, nothing so special about the feeling of typing, but there is something very particularly unique about the Olivetti electronic typewriters. They are very precise in their typing. So you can see well-filled letters typed on Olivetti electronic machines. Very reliable machine, despite the design quirks. Otherwise, it's a very well made, very well engineered machine, as it turns to the typing experience. Probably this is all I can say about this machine. It has no electronic display, so it has only one mode, not typing on display and then turn enter and type on the paper, like some other machines. I see the scrollers here, the electronic scrollers. I see a mode and code keys on the keyboard, but I'm not that sure about what modes this machine uses, because it has no electronic display, so I'm not that sure about it. Very good machine, despite this the boring exterior design. That yeah, it does what it has to do. So thank you for staying on this review, and we will see again next year when I will make the review on all my console typewriters collection in one record. in the beginning of 2026. So I wish you a happy holidays and see you again next year. I have a little surprises for you for the program in 2026, so stay tuned and wait for them. Thank you for now, and see you again next year.